Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review on unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of NerveSync. So this is basically a dietary supplement that is available on Amazon, and it will provide you with the nerve health spore. So this supplement contains 60 capsules and it has overall 3.0 rating out of 5 stars, which is based on 6 reviews. So this is just an average rating, but the concerning thing is only 6 people have bought it and actually reviewed it on Amazon so far. So this is a red flag about this product. Another thing is, like, they're making a lot of bold claims, like it can even reverse if your nerve system had got some negative effects. So this is pretty much a bold claim which is not very simply possible with some kind of dietary supplements, and it is not clinically proven as well. But once I tried searching for their reviews on the Scam Advisor, I got to know they have a 72 trust score out of 100, but this reviews are about their official website, which is nervesync.com.au. so this is a pretty decent score, but the thing is there's still some evidences of a scams website. So once I tried searching for the domain and information, I got to know it was registered recently, just 3 months ago. So this is also a red flag about this platform because it hasn't been in the market for a long, and based on these ratings, I would say like you should not purchase this item without consulting with your doctor. So I hope this review was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching the video and hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.